What's up, speculators? So the folks over at Profitrade have decided to extend this sale for one more day from Sunday, October 13th to Monday, October 14th. So I'm going to send this out to two groups, my whole list. In case you're unaware of this, there's a new firm called Profitrade. You can find out more about it on my YouTube channel. And if you are signed up for any of the Profitrade accounts and you want to take advantage of this, which is a free pass until you profit promo, I'll also extend that till the 14th, tomorrow at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I don't know what time zone the extension is happening over at Profitrade, so you can check with them if you missed it. Okay, now what I wanted to do in this video is just go through a real quick just sort of the setup of what I'm doing on Volumetrica on the web-based version. Now, I'm going to make this really quick and pretty simple because they're going to be adding TradingView within the next couple weeks, and I'd like to just keep my charting and analysis over here on TradingView and not be all that concerned with setting up all the same indicators on Volumetrica because it's not really necessary. So I probably will actually even take these off once I can chart over there on TradingView. Well, here's the deal. I could chart on TradingView right now and just place my orders in here, but eventually I'll probably have a mixed mixed environment in which I'll take these off because I'll just be looking at TradingView most of the time. And maybe entering orders here or maybe entering orders on TradingView. All right, anyhow, if you're interested in setting up the Volumetrica the way I'm going to show it in the trade room, here's what you do. So I just have two indicators on here. This is a 5-minute chart. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart, and I just have the VWAP envelopes. You just search for, so all you do is hit add indicator and search for VWAP envelopes. And here are my settings. I'm almost sure they're the default settings. I didn't do anything to them right here. So I just turned on the name label and I wanted to show the line. That's about it. The market just opened up, so these bands are very narrow now. And here are the parameters. Period value 1, number of bars 1, standard deviation is what I selected for the envelope mode. The period is daily, and I do have through a third standard deviation. I don't know if I could turn that. It's showing 3 standard deviations, which is not what we do typically in the stay in your lane. We just have 2 standard deviations on there, but for now it's 3. I can figure out how to remove one, I guess. But and then it should look essentially like this. Again, the market just opened up. Down here at the bottom, you can see a variety of different volume things. You can just play around with these if you care. That'll put an actual volume interbar. Then you have this kind of look. I'm not actually sure what that is. I'm just using the volume that is as close to a volume profile, visible range volume profile for the current session. You have this kind of look, which is pretty ugly to me. You have that. You can, do that if you'd like. So lots of different volume things down here if you'd like. But again, I just prefer the visible range volume profile that we have over here on TradingView. And actually, I like the one that's on that I use on Top Step X, which also comes from TradingView. Okay, so that's it. That's the only indicator I have on here, and this is volume multiple 1 day. I don't know exactly what that is. So I'm not sure where that's coming from. I just started working with this thing, so you can see. In fact, the people in my room helped me out with a few things that I can share with you real quick. The one thing is if you want to turn the chart trader on, you gotta, maybe this is the resolution that I have on this machine, but you gotta scroll down here to the bottom and hit chart trading, and then it brings this on. And if you want to place a buy order down here, you just hit that, which is pretty nice, and then you can move this up and down, right? If you want to place a sell order, you do that. You just click it right in there, and you got a sell order on, which is pretty cool. It has also this once you get filled, you can do a take profit and stop loss afterwards, or you could put it on right here at the time that you entered the order. You could put on a bracket or OCO if you wanted. As you can see, I have the trade panel open here because I do like to buy the bid and sell the ask as a way to enter close to market. And I also have the dome over here, which I don't really use that much, and I might get rid of the dome now that my group showed me how to enter orders on the chart. And if you're into this kind of thing, you can also put time in sales. So it just starts to take up page real estate here. Now, the other thing is the trade copier defaults to off when you first set it to turn it on. So you come over here. I'm not going to go through how to set up the trade copier. It's pretty simple. You just assign a kind of a lead account and another account. You click on this. Okay, once you have it set up. I've named mine 3 Amigos. How clever, because I have 3 accounts here. These are the 3 accounts that I have. I actually screwed it up because I have 2 end of day and 1 trailing. I don't know how I did that. But anyway, again, in the TDG way, the end of day or trailing is not really a big concern. And the other thing that's cool about Profitrade, as you might have heard, is that you can convert or choose. You can go through a trailing eval, or they call them challenges, and then convert it to an end of day if you want. I think you pay a little bit more for that, but you can. There's a lot of flexibility there. But anyway, back to the trade copier. You come over here. Here are the settings, as you can see. So I have, it's called order to order. So it's just one. It's 1-to-1. I didn't mess around with any of this millisecond delay kind of stuff. I don't really scalp all that much. The main account is here. This is called the parent account, which is 00713. And then here are the 2 child accounts. And then you just go, you go over here and hit start. Go through the warning, and now the trade copier is on. Okay, and basically that's about it. If you are on the free pass till you profit promotion, you're gonna have plenty of time to come in and ask questions in the room. I think we'll get more familiar with this, and we'll probably end up setting up a Profitrade and Volumetrica channel in our Discord. I think maybe we'll just make that public since there'll be a lot of people on trial. And not part of our private Discord. But anyway, there you have it. I am a little wondering what this indicator is that I have here. If I remove that, oh, that is the volume profile here. Okay, so this is the volume profile. This is the envelopes, and there you go. That's everything that I have set up on here. I know that this platform has a lot more bells and whistles. A lot of stuff that you can do with it, but just as we keep our trading strategy and our sizing pretty simple, we're going to keep this pretty simple as well. You come up here and you can also save a workspace. I would highly suggest you save a workspace, because otherwise, every time you come in or click off anything else, it resets the whole environment. All right, that's it. So again, the Profitrade sale is extended for 1 more day till Monday, October 14th. That's going to give you 1 more day where I'll leave those links up. So that you can get into the free pass until you profit promo that I'm doing. That's on this page over here. I'll put this link in the email that I send out. And again, I selected the trail challenges, and I think 1 pro by accident. So I have 2 trail and one pro. I think the difference with this is trailing drawdown. This is a end of day drawdown, they call that, and they do offer 1 direct account. So if you want to buy a direct account and bypass the evaluation or the challenge, you can buy one of those. This is important. The direct account and the express accounts do not count towards well, maybe the express does. I know for a fact that the direct account does not. So the direct account does not count for the profit match offer that they're doing as part of this. So just make sure you do your own homework and check if you have any questions about that. One thing I can tell you is about the trade room. Pop on in there. You're going to have a good time. The last 10 sessions are always recorded, so you can go back and check them if you missed a particular session. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to give out the password right here. It's Partana, which is my favorite olive oil right here that I put in my coffee for my oleatos. Partana. And I'll leave that the password for this current week so there's no confusion. Everyone can get in. All right, that'll be it. Stay green. Trade like you mean it. Thanks.